So over here you can see that I have a Google Drawing file, and if I were to make any changes to this file, then the original file is changed. So let's say I do not want to make any changes to the original file, but I want to make a change to the copy. Then what you can do is you can make a copy directly from Google Drawing by going into File right here and by clicking on Make a Copy. So once you do that here, it'll prompt you to make a copy of the file in your Google Drive directly. So you can go around over here. So I'm just going to say example drawing 2 right here, which is going to be the file name of the copy. And you can choose the folder in your Google Drive where you want to save it as well. In my case, I'm just going to keep it at the root. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. And what you can also do is you can share the file with the same people. That is, you can share out the copy that you made with the share people and copy out the comments and include resolved comments over here as well if you want to. So I'm just going to go around and check it all and press OK so that it is the exact copy. And here you can see that it actually created a new drawing over here. So there's example drawing and there's drawing 2 over here. And if I were to go around over here, there's the example drawing and another drawing is created over here in Google Drive, as you can see right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, make changes to drawing 2 just like this, then what happens is that only the drawing 2 gets changed out. The original drawing right here, the file remains intact. So if you want to make changes just like this, then you can easily make out a copy of drawing file just like that in Google Drawing. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.